Just join. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. So, this is a long-awaited session which we would like to conduct for all our dietitians who have registered in our platform or who have shown interest in our platform to give a brief overview of the platform and what is the roadmap look like. So, I'll initially go through the platform capabilities as a PPT. Then I will start on the live app. Okay, on how each of these functionality can be used. So I'm just starting with this one, the presentation, and we will have around 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes on Q&A. Okay, or in between also you can ask. Okay, while we are having a demo. So this we will talk about product capabilities. Okay, the architecture will not touch much upon the architecture. Then the features and the screen, awareness, and the telehealth extension what we are planning in future. So if you see right now we have enabled only the specialist listing. Okay, but the platform also has a capability of institutions listing. When I say institutions, all the hospitals can be onboarded and the hospital dietitians can also do consultation via our platform. So we have not enabled this feature, but this is inbuilt. Already it has been built, but we have not enabled. Okay. Then the specialties management right now we have diet. We can also enable health. Then we have digital diet chart. When we move to telehealth, we will also come with e-prescription. Right now we have text. In another 1-2 months, we will be having audio video charts as well. And one of the key features what we have is the template management, which we will show you the demo. Okay, and the packages that dietitians can create in our platform. The next other thing that the key feature that is coming up is on the awareness. Okay, few health tools are there, and we will also be having a feature for digital health records. So these are the high level product capabilities where we have listing, search sort, advanced diet planner, client patient consultation, awareness and health tools, packages and offers, registration and login, ratings feature is there, templates is there, profile management, one time and repeat charges are there, payment services. So this one time and repeat charges, no other platform has this feature as of now. So this is a functional architecture. If you see the different features that what we have is being depicted in this particular diagram. Okay, which has digital health records, feedback, refunds. We have actually refunds functionality. Okay, template management, appointment management will be coming up. Packages and offers. Okay, this is the technical architecture. We are completely cloud native. Everything is on the cloud, and we have enough security measures. We are on AWS and on Google Cloud as well. So this is how the new look and feel of the app, okay, which we are going to see, where user without even login able to see all the dietitians. Okay, they can know about the dietitian's particulars and the packages offered by the dietitian. They can do one-time consultation. Okay, or they can buy packages. I'll also explain about what is the difference between one-time, first time and repeat consultation. This is the listing of the institutions which we have not enabled, but we will be enabling it soon. Okay, where the hospitals or other major institutions can be listed and their dietitians are listed similar. So the journey will be that only one level above dietitians will be the institution. Then this is how the client will do. First, client will have to consult and make the payment. After making the payment only, the client will be eligible to contact the dietitian. Okay, there is no outside connect. So everything is within the app, and almost chat is similar to WhatsApp chat. Okay, this is how the chat window looks like, and dietitian can assign a diet chart. All this we will go through the demo. So this is how the diet chart looks like. once it's been assigned by the dietitian. And these are the different packages that will be listed, what each of the dietitians are offering. And towards right is how you create the package. So the dietitian can create package name, what specialization that is, the validity in terms of days, months, or year. Okay, the price, who can take this package, and about the package. This is another key feature where the dietitian can create multiple templates. Okay, so each of these I will emphasize more when we are going through the demo. Okay, so for example, if I as a dietitian create diabetic, okay, unless there are other complications, I can assign the same to multiple patients of the similar nature. Okay, if there is a change, I can still populate and then edit that particular template. I'll show you that also. So these are the features which are upcoming in the next 3 months. One of the thing is our first product is Like to Eat, where it is purely a content driven platform. We want to merge that and integrate into this platform where we will talk about multiple awareness snippets, medical conditions about food. Okay, these are like few details which I have put. This is a key thing which will be coming up. Okay, this was what our old Like to Eat used to look like. So these are the different snippets you keep seeing. We are posting the snippets, and we will make it available inside our app as well. So family management, offline consultation. So offline consultation is typically, say for example, right now due to COVID pandemic, people are not visiting the physical places, right? So to the where the dietitian has a practice, right? But once it's over, like once you resume, if the person comes directly, that can be enabled through the platform. So after that, that entire consultation can be taken to online, post offline consultation. Audio video chat is coming. Step and calorie counters will be coming. Meal and water reminders and digital health records. So these are the upcoming features which we are planning and working on. Other than that, one key feature requested by a lot of dietitians is a specific page for each of the dietitian. Okay, so we are planning for a QR code thing. Okay, where you can advertise on your own platforms and Facebook. When the client connects, that will directly land onto your page. So that is also in progress. So that there is another demand for our platform to extend as a telehealth platform. We are working on that as well. So it is purely where doctors instead of dietitians, doctors will be coming. Okay, so this is few things which we are actually planning: teleconsultation, purely with respect to doctor, patient management, OPD. So diet chat will be replaced with digital prescription. Okay, digital health records anyhow is a common one. Appointment management is again common one, so it can be used both for dietitians as well as doctors. Okay, so these are like a high level things which we have right now. So I take a pause before I get into the demo part. So any queries so far before I get into the demo from any of our people have joined? Okay, if nothing, I'll just move on to the demo part. So I have currently logged in. I'll just log out. And this is, by the way, the live app. Okay, so we have an Android app which can be downloaded from Play Store. And then we also have our website. Okay, and iOS, we got everything ready. We may be launching it soon. Okay, anytime. Okay. So this is the website. Okay, what we have. So I will be shifting between a client view and the dietitian view. This is a dietitian view. Okay. Uh, I'll be shifting between those two. See, this is an app. What the one enhancement what we have done from earlier version is, earlier even if you want to look at the dietitians on our platform, the people have to register. Now we have taken that out. So without even registration, people can see. Hope everyone is able to see my screen, right? So this is how my home screen looks like. Okay, clearly visible, like how many dietitians are there, how many packages are there, the health tools, okay, what features we get, what are the different, these are the different specializations that we have. Okay, uh, our dietitians are specialized in. These are goal based, and these are other specializations. Okay, so this is what client can see, and there is another feature of this share app. Okay, even like you can actually do share this app to others in your network. They can directly download. Okay, and then we have this explore section. What is added on top of what is there in the home page is they can actually explore by city. Okay, key cities we have put. They can explore by experience. They can explore by cost. And then there is a profile. See, the profile will not be there until you log in. So none of these features, when you click, it will say login. Okay, track my nutrition value. So basically, the once only you log in, these things make sense. So I want to now show how a client consult a dietitian. Okay, and then we will also show you on the dietitian part. So before that, see, for example, this is a pretty easy tool for BMI calculation. No need to even enter. You can choose between centimeters and feet. Okay, so just drop down, drag, select the height. Okay, select the weight. Okay, it says underweight, normal, overweight, obese, all this. Okay. Similarly, this is an normal RDA diet chart based on the India. This one is there. Okay. Then we have a kids growth chart, which is done by ICMR and pediatrics. Okay. So these are few health tools what we have. Okay. For example, I am right now want to consult the dietitian. Okay. So I have not logged in yet. So I want to go. I have actually created one demo dietitian for all the testing purpose. Okay. So I can see about this particular dietitian. This is how the client will see where this dietitian is located at, what dietitian experience is, what languages dietitian know, what dietitian is specialized in. Okay. What is that consultation fee? Okay. Now see, usually the cost is 200 rupees. Okay. Now I have already consulted this dietitian. So for me, I'll get a discount. So before payment, it will ask you to sign up. So only when someone is interested, it will ask for a payment. So I'm just entering my data. I'm as a client. So if you see, one-time consultation has come to 100 rupees. The reason is I have already consulted the co-op demo dietitian. So instead of 200 rupees, it is only 100 rupees I will be charged. Okay. So once I go, it's actually live. Okay. So I'll have to pay. Okay. I'm going to pay using UPI. Okay. I'm just so I get a notification here. So I'm logging into Google Pay. So I logged into Google Pay and made the payment. The moment I have made the payment, I'll come to the chat screen. Okay. So I say hi. We are also enabling SMS. So what happens is earlier we were having only push notification. Now we have SMS as well. So what happens is the dietitian will receive SMS as well. Okay, so if you see here, you already have Praveen Kumar. I typed hi. Okay. Uh, so I'll keep typing here. You will not see that screen. Like WhatsApp, all 100 message and last message will be displayed here. Okay. The moment I, as a dietitian, click, I'll be able to see. So I'm just going to the Miracast, which is showing, see, it's exactly like our WhatsApp chat. Okay. And once read, that red message will be also be coming. Okay. Now, for example, I am a client, I can view the dietitian profile. Okay. Similarly, as a dietitian, I can view the client profile. See, if you see the client profile, all food culture, nature of work, job shift, goal, medical condition, everything is actually captured, which is very essential to assign a diet chart. Okay, so say for example, this is how the chart will come, and in future we will be having attached file also here, so that scanned reports or any other reports can be attached. Okay, so that also will be coming up. Okay, now say for example, I'm done with the chart. Okay, now I understood the client requirement. Now I'll just focus as a dietitian. Okay, so when I want to assign, see here I will see pending, right? I can assign diet chart. Okay. When I want to assign diet chart, this is where exactly the template will be useful. Okay. So either I can everything create as a fresh. Okay. This is basically the schedule. All the schedules is there. How you want to define whether early morning, after workout, before breakfast. If schedule is not there, you can actually put a custom also. Okay. So either I can do that or I can choose from a template. And at any given point of time, say for example, they want to recollect what has been discussed, they can go to chart history. Okay, so for example, while assigning, we want to see what have we discussed, what are the client requirements. You can always get into that. You can view the profile of the client. Okay, so it will make it easy for a dietitian to assign the diet chart. And one key thing here is there are two types of diet plans in the platform. Okay. One is called generic and another is called planned. The difference between these two is in generic, what happens is, say when I schedule, say for example, breakfast, right? I can say you can have either idli or dosa or something like that. So it's a generic one. Okay. But if there are a client, okay, where you are doing a daily follow up, so if there are high end clients or who are very focused, who want to reduce weight or whatever the goal is, you can decide for each day. Okay, you can decide how many day plan. Is it a 10-day plan, 20-day plan? Each day you can say day one you have idli, day two you have upma, day three you have this one. Okay, so each day you can actually specify what needs to be taken care. Okay, both can be created as a template. Now, let me quickly go through. So one more thing is on top of whatever, see already diet chart gives enough flexibility to enter all the schedules. On top of that, there is in general instructions, foods to avoid, foods to consume less, fitness instruction, and dietary supplement. Along with that, even you can attach a file, an image file or a PDF. Okay. So let us say diabetic demo. Okay, I can view what is this. Okay, I have early morning and breakfast has been attached in this template. So diabetic demo, I want to assign to this particular person. Since I'm assigning anything that is, say for example, already dietitian has entered one schedule and then they want to assign the template, it will give a warning, because the purpose of template is load all the data what is there in the template. So it will overwrite whatever is been entered manually. So it will give a warning. The moment I populate, see, I have not typed anything. Now it is already there. Early morning breakfast is there. Now on top of that, I can actually add, say, lunch. Okay. I can say my lunch time is around whatever 1:33 p.m. to just for this one. Okay. Here we can say we can have rice. Okay, dal, buttermilk, just for this. Okay, so this I can just I save. Okay, now this is there. I want to see instructions. Instructions already there. Drink 8 glasses of water and say food or oily foods to be avoided. Consume less. Say I say ghee, you consume less. Okay, jog for some 20 minutes. Dietary supplement I can give. I don't need to give. Okay. Then I can also say the next due date, next appointment. Okay, I can see this, and on top of it, I can also choose a file. Okay, let us choose a file. Some webinar. Okay, this one is there. Okay, I can view the file what I'm attaching. Okay, this is what the file is. Okay, on top of whatever I want to assign now. Diet chart assigned successfully. If you see that has been removed from here, the reason is there is no validity I have the dietitian has specified. Okay. So if you go to the dietitian side, you can see consultation fee is 200, repeat fee is 100. My warranty period is there no warranty period. What is warranty period is until how many days client can chart with the dietitian without again paying. Okay. Now if I have to consult this dietitian, I have to pay again. Now come back to this one, the client view. Now if you see, I have got a diet chart. Okay. Demo dietitian. You see here now, along with chart, I will also see view my diet chart, rate now option. What is my next appointment? So when I click on view my diet chart, I will be able to see what is my diet chart. Okay. Okay, sorry, there is an attachment also. Okay, let us see. See the attachment also I can see. Okay, and then I can also view the instruction details. Okay, which we talked about right now. Then the consultation details, what consultation I have taken. Okay. Okay, so here also they will directly can go. So there are multiple ways they can go via chat. They can directly go here, or they can go to here and click on the right chat also. Clear? So I want to take a pause, okay, and want to take questions before I explain on the next features. So any questions from the dietitians who are here? No questions?
Yeah, Praveen, can you hear me?
Yeah, Suresh.
Suresh. Oh, I mean, you improved a lot yet this platform and application. Nice work.
Yes, thanks, Suresh.
So my question is, preparing this diet chart and scheduling and all this stuff.
Yes.
Should dietitians be doing only on mobile app, or they have web capability as well?
Web capability. See, right now what I'm doing is a web. This one, what you are seeing is a web only, woolsome.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see,
Okay.
I'm just, this is mobile friendly, so I have put here, but this is actually a web.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, see, basically it is very not comfortable to type everything in mobile. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
So
That's what my question is. And my
yes.
second question is,
Yeah.
say for example, if I signed up as a dietitian,
Yes.
okay, and the same app is for login for client also.
Correct.
Okay. So, I mean, how the platform knows that who is dietitian and who is not?
We have, see, because the first time when I registered, okay,
Hmm.
um, I'll just log out. Okay. So there is a specific thing. Okay. When you click on sign in, right?
Hmm.
Oh, sorry, I am not showing that screen. One second. Here. Okay. Register as a dietitian. See, the only first time you have to register as a dietitian.
Yeah. This is what my question is. Yeah.
Yes.
Now it's
Yes.
clear.
Yeah. So once
So,
I click,
I mean,
yeah.
app is same, but
Yes.
if you register for a dietitian, what you see is different. And
Yes.
if you are visiting as a client, what you see
Yes.
is a different.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. You're right.
Right.
Okay.
Good one. Nice.
Thanks, Suresh. Lot of thing. Thanks for your support and for everyone's information. Suresh, he is the backbone and he is the key person who connected me with all of you. Okay, I'm very thankful to him. Okay, and we keep chatting and see how we improve on. Okay, thanks a lot, Suresh. Okay, so going back to the dietitian capabilities, right? So this is on the diet chart. We talked about template. So when you create a template, so you can view, edit template. When you actually create template, it is exactly like what you have seen now there. Okay. So I can enter the template name. Okay. Say renal. Okay. 60 plus. Okay. So basically this is for a 60 plus users. Okay. Uh, who are 60 years plus, okay, and has a renal issues, okay. So we can actually define a template, okay. So we can give what time they want to start, okay. I can say idli. I don't know what the renal patients should not eat. Okay, I'm just putting something. Okay, so you can also give the count and everything. I just for the demo purpose I'm giving. So I added breakfast. Similarly, I can add multiple things. Okay, general instructions. Avoid. I don't know which foods are dangerous for kidney. Okay, oily foods. Okay. Okay, say cabbage or something. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so drink 8 glasses. Okay, so foods to avoid. In fact, I can actually put this cabbage or whatever, which is not good. Okay, I can still say ghee. Okay, I can say since 60 years plus, I walk for 10 minutes. Okay, daily supplement I can give something. Okay, see whatever I add. Okay, so template created. So renal diet. Okay, this is new. Okay, any and instructions you can see what I have given, and anytime you can go and edit it also. So that is not a challenge. So I can actually add one more schedule. Okay. Lunch. I add 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Just save and I can choose a file also. Okay, so template updated. So I can actually assign this to any patient. For example, here, for example, wholesome test 60. Okay, assume this guy is 60 plus. Okay, I just say assign. You see exactly what we have typed will be coming it here. Okay. So this is with respect to the templates. And then entire history, dietitian can actually see the entire history. Okay. How many consultations are done, what diet chart and everything. Then another key feature before getting to package, see this online offline. I want to explain about this online offline. Okay, this is one of the most convenience feature which we want to give. For example, for some reason you don't want to take consultation, you want to be offline. Okay, the moment you are offline, now if I go to the dietitians, right? Earlier I have the co-op demo dietitian, okay, which comes after NOPQ. Okay, so if you see after the P, I used to have pop demo dietitian. Now dietitian is not there, right? So assume if I switch on, okay, and if I come back, I'll be able to see that. Okay, so this is another key feature which is there for dietitian. Okay, and then another one is with respect to packages. Okay, so right now I have defined three packages. Okay, which if I go here, I will see, right? These are the three packages. Okay, you see here, this is how the client can see, okay, each package. Okay, that dietitian can create. So here you can actually view, okay, delete, save, whatever days. Okay, so you have to give the number of days or months. Okay, I can go and create another package, and the test package. Okay, specializations. Okay, maybe like bodybuilding. Okay, and validity say 3 months. Price maybe 2,500. This is for people who are interested in bodybuilding. Okay, just save. Okay, so this is there. Okay, I can say body. Okay, okay, just on the safer side. Okay. Now you see 3 months bodybuilding. Sorry, I just have to. So 3 months bodybuilding packages come here. Okay, there is one 50 days and then another 3 months. Okay, so this is another key feature which is available where a dietitian has the flexibility. One of the key feature today in the market, Suresh is well versed with the market. Is been there. Okay, lot of players are there. You know about Healthify Me. Their Goki initially started, but now they have moved more into the devices part. Okay, still a lot of these platforms don't have the features that what we are providing. See, ours is a very small startup, not even comparable with any of these because they come with a lot of baggage. Okay, but we are trying to do to the best of our abilities with the help of dietitians like you. Okay, and this is a journey, so it will slowly build day by day, and you will see the capabilities coming up. Now I stop here, okay, and I just want to touch upon the other aspects on the payment, okay. So we have integrated with Razorpay, okay. So the moment a customer pays, we are actually not taking any payment, okay. It will be directly coming to your account, okay. And this dashboard also we can actually give access where the dietitians can see what their consultation fees and all. Okay, I'll just so right now I have paid 100 rupees, which will be reflecting here. Okay, so So any new dietitians when they're joining, that is why we ask for bank details. So if you are referring any of the dietitians, you can say why we are asking bank details, because we need to actually key in all that. So for example, if you see, so these are the transactions. If you see just now, I made 100 rupees. Okay, this payment ID. When you click, see one transfer created. Okay, you see the transfer. So this transfer details is nothing but the dietitian details. Okay, so we have all the dietitian details here. So these are all the dietitians, okay, accounts here, okay. So every dietitian we need to create an account, okay, so that the money will be automatically crediting to their account, okay. So there is no money comes to our account. It will be split at here itself. So we get the commission and the other amount will go to the dietitian account, okay. So this is the dashboard, okay. You get the reports also. So here I would like to pause, and I also want to tell you we have our group, okay, and we have our page. Would request all of you to promote the pages, our pages which we have, okay, and the Instagram. So we are slowly starting, okay. The B2C market is a very uh, tough market because you need a lot of money to market and all, okay. So but word of mouth we can actually help us, okay. So we are having our next webinar next Sunday on immunity building using with the right diet, okay. So with this I would like to take Q&A. So any questions any one of you have?
Yeah, it's me, Praveen again.
Yeah, Suresh.
So there are no upfront sign-up fees for this app for dietitians.
Yes, Suresh, as of now we have waived off all the upfront fee.
Okay. So
Yeah.
whatever money a dietitian makes by
Yes.
getting a client onboarded,
Yes.
from that, once she makes money or he makes money, then they have to pay the commission, and that's it, right?
That's it. That's
The
it. So
platform. Yeah.
yes.
For the platform, for using the platform, whatever charges you charge. So how much percentage of the consultation fee is that?
See, we are right now charging only 8%. Okay. So 8% is what we get, and 2% goes for the payment gateway. So
Okay.
net there is a
90% of
10%.
the money is for dietitian only.
Yeah, 90% of the money is for dietitians. Yes.
Wonderful. Excellent.
Yeah. See, that's what Suresh, like no one offers like this. Okay. So
This is wonderful. I mean,
yes.
I want all the dietitians to sign up for this because when JustMD was started almost 10 years back, I
Ah,
used to speak to this guy. Don't
okay.
charge hefty money from dietitians initially. I mean,
Okay.
he used to charge a mom in those days.
Okay.
Okay, I
Okay.
forgot his name, some Vikram or something,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So when he started up, so I'm glad you listened to me that don't charge from dietitians upfront because the dietitians in India they don't make a lot of money
Correct.
except a
Correct.
few. Okay, but they'll be happy because the kind of service you are providing, okay, the kind of seamless application you have designed and the kind of upcoming features you are developing. As
Yeah.
of now, the platform looks pretty good.
Thanks,
Okay.
Suresh.
So before anyone asks further questions, I have one more question to ask.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's say I have 50 clients with me right now.
Yes.
I want all of my clients to come onto this platform.
Okay.
Okay. I'll share all my my clients' email IDs to you.
Okay.
Okay. Can you create an account for them and send them a mail at a go
Yeah.
that, yeah, this is from Dr. Suresh. all of you are requested to. I mean, I'll be sending mine, but
Sure.
because they are coming in, signing up and all this thing, once they
Yeah,
come
yeah,
in,
we
this
will do
is,
on behalf of them. No issues.
yeah, you can do
Yeah, yeah.
that.
We can do
What I'm
that.
asking is like, shifting the platform, how easy it is.
Correct, correct. No, no, no problem. We will register. Okay.
Hmm.
And
You can send a mass
maybe,
mail, right?
I can send a mass mail. Yeah, I can send a mass
Mass mail
mail.
with login credentials.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be pretty smooth because whatever data we have about the patient and all, if I give it to
Hmm.
you, if
Yes.
already it is feeded, I mean, again, they don't have to enter and I don't have to enter or my team doesn't have to enter.
Sure, sure, Suresh. We will work it out, Suresh. Not an issue. Okay.
Hmm.
How do we enable that and how you can consult? Because you can use this platform to do the chart consultation and all. So, for example, like 3 month or 6 months validity they have, we define a package and offer them so that automatically platform will take care of that. So, one
Yeah.
time we will convert. From there onwards, you can just chat with them using this
Yeah.
platform.
No. Just maybe basically some 6 to 7 fields will be
Yeah.
sending an UNXL. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
So you can populate them in your respective fields.
Sure, sure.
Just like uploading, if a dietitian wants to send 10 fields of the patient, because again we cannot ask for their date of birth and
No, no, I
entering
understand.
that.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
you got my point,
So
right?
I'll also show you here, right? One second. What are all the things we are capturing from a client? Okay. Gender, height, weight, BMI, age, marital status, food culture, nature of work, job shift, goal, medical condition. All this is captured.
Yeah. Hmm. So if I create an Excel sheet with these headers,
Yes. I
okay,
can
and fill
populate.
the data of my patient and send it to you, it will be
Yes,
much easier for you. Yeah.
yes, yes. Easier, easier.
Okay, good. Thank you. I mean, I am taking all others time. Yeah, wonderful job, Praveen. Congratulations.
Thanks, Suresh.
Good luck. We'll catch up. We'll call later.
Sure, sure. Mahendra Devi has joined. Is she there? So I have a lot of dietitians supporting me. She joined and she left, I suppose, in between. Okay, any questions from other dietitians? You're all quiet. So is it everything clear or not clear? Anjum also knows me. Anjum, we've been there. Anjum, this is, I think, after a long time we are having this uh, session. Anjum, it's much awaited.
Yeah. It's actually wonderful to have you update this app now. But there was earlier also I had asked you that there are some apprehensions from the dietitian side that I want to clear when they'll be cleared off about the clients that can switch over to other dietitians if like they join
Correct,
the
correct.
platform.
I don't know where,
So yeah.
before you joined, okay, I updated, okay. So one of the feature is what as I said, like dietitians having their own page, Anjam. That will clear that apprehensions, okay. So they will not be diverted. They can directly go to the dietitian's page.
Okay. So I missed that, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Because
following.
see,
Yeah. Okay.
today the key feature, if you see here, right, we already bought that. See, it's only just I need to give that link, okay, because earlier it is
Mm-hmm.
only through this one, okay. For example, okay, so see, for example, now you have your own page. All I have to give is it as a link. That's it. So that is
Mm-hmm.
work is happening. So my web also is
Okay.
getting into this one. Once that is done, we will extend. So maybe in max 1.5 month, Anjum, will be there.
Okay. Because my colleagues are very apprehensive about it and they are not joining the platform because of this reason. So I just wanted to clear that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
No issues. They can actually explore. They can join and explore,
Ah,
and this will be coming up. As I said, I just
Yeah.
yeah.
Praveen, I would like to add on to your answer. Hello, Shagufta ma'am. How are you? Remember me?
Yeah,
Dr.
I'm
Suresh,
fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right,
Hyderabad Marathon.
definitely. We met at right. Okay, how are you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm good. Okay, see,
Okay.
coming to this thing, ma'am, competition, if a dietitian is not comfortable facing a competition, so she cannot win, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how long can you
Right,
hide your
right.
patients from rest of the people? Okay, so if people are not staying with you, means that one is not competent, right?
Right.
If you are giving the best service, so there are so many
Mm-hmm.
people, but as a community, if we can promote this and bring more people onto the platform, more people will come to know about. And what I mean to say is, uh, more customers will be created, more customer base will be created,
Right.
right? We have
Right.
to see from that perspective. I mean, it is not, I mean, clients are not that dumb. They can go to Practo and they can see the list of dietitians. They can Google where the data is not available. Okay.
That's right. That's
So,
right.
yeah. So, I
No, but
mean,
it
we need
was
to
a point
communicate.
that was raised, so I just
No,
cleared
that
it
was
off
there.
here.
I
Right.
mean, every
Mm.
time and wherever
Yeah.
I go to dietitians, the same is the case. Right. So
Right.
that's what, I mean, that's what I wanted to clear.
Right.
But
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
saying that losing out on the platform like this is, I mean, I would say that is not a right choice.
It's their this thing,
Yeah,
Correct.
it's their loss, I would say. As
their
Praveen
loss.
said, yeah, I mean, we had a discussion. Actually, Praveen and I discussed it long back. I mean, so
Mm-hmm.
if there is a listing and people can choose from that, it becomes a practo and people are not comfortable, especially dietitians and all. And I said, like, if I want my patients to come on to my page only, as he said,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be sharing the
Mm-hmm.
link. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
if he wanted to do the legwork for us, that means if you give all your patients data,
Mm-hmm.
okay, you can use it for like making your life simpler and easier. So if you give your patient
Right.
data, you will upload directly and they will get a mail. Your patients will get a mail, they'll download. They will not see any other dietitians. That point also he
Mm-hmm.
cleared.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Good. Thanks. Okay, any more questions? Otherwise, I think we had a good session. Just follow our handles. Okay, we are putting acceleration on our marketing, putting acceleration onto the development of new features, and hopefully another 6 months is what I see. We will turn things around. Okay, with a consistent push and engagement. And once it is like people are there and they're happy with our services, and it's most like a word of mouth. And Anjum also highlighted earlier, Suresh also highlighted. Okay, I think that is the only way we can grow. The reason is I have seen the other side of it, and Suresh also well aware. The other players come minimum with 1,000 to 2,000 crores in their kitty, which in nowhere we can actually even think of unless a big investor comes for us. Okay, but right now I'm not even looking for that. First, let us grow organically, showcase our capabilities, and then we can expand. Good. Okay, if no questions, thank you everyone. Okay, give the feedback, download the app.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Praveen sir. Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, Padma.
Hello. I had doubt, sir. The first 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, I missed the session. What can I understand? This is like a platform for dietitians, like GoFood and services.
Yeah.
Just
Padma, your voice
briefly
is not
explain.
clear.
Hello?
Yeah, Padma.
Yes, sir.
I couldn't get your last statement. Can you repeat?
Please explain, sir, 2 minutes briefly because I missed the session for first 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So this is a platform like Goki, Henry Family, that type. So this is a platform wholesome type.
Yes, yes. So this is a exclusive platform for the dietitians. So that is why this is a tele-nutrition platform. Okay. And so it is not exactly like Healthify Me, because Healthify Me, they manages all their dietitians. Okay. So here it is an open platform. Dietitians can register. Okay. And they can offer their services via this platform. Okay. And it is not like a Practo, because Practo has everything, dietitians, doctors, and everyone. Okay. So this is an exclusive platform, an open platform which we have designed for dietitians alone. Okay, we may extend this to telehealth, but that will not be called Wholesome Diet. It will be called some other thing. Okay, but this platform is exclusively for dietitians. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Praveen, one small suggestion. Sorry for coming again. Can you keep the recording of this webinar either on YouTube or in your Facebook page units? Okay, so that people will come to your page and subscribe so that they can access the units. Those who missed, because most of my students are unable to, because I received your link only at 11 o'clock.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
Fine.
that's why, I mean, most of them are my students. I mean, many would be interested in this.
Sure.
So they can go through the complete session again, and I'll put a word. I mean, I'll discuss about this platform and how it can benefit them and how they can leverage the technology.
Sure.
So wherever you want to put it, I mean, you can, if you don't want to make it public in YouTube, you can make it a private video, give a link, or put it in your Facebook group. Okay,
So we will
premium.
put it on YouTube, Suresh, because last webinar also we have recorded and put our plan, this
Okay.
one. Okay.
So once you upload it, just share me the link, and meanwhile I'll talk to my students.
Definitely, definitely, we'll do that.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Any more questions? Otherwise, we say we'll close the session. Okay. Thanks, everyone. If you have any queries, you can reach out to intouch@wholesome.com, which is there. I will share this deck also. I have put it on our dietitians group. Okay. But I can share this deck as well, what is coming up, and there is a contact ID, okay, which is intouch@wholesome.com. Okay, so you can write a mail to that and you can reach out to me. So this is the ID, intouch@wholesome.com. Okay.